Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I will tell you how can you write a program to reverse a number using while loop. So first you have to declare a variable named num in which we will take input as always, and then here I am also commenting this out for better understanding. Here I have declared another variable named rev_num which will initialized to reverse number, means this will store the reverse number. While num is greater than 0, what we will do is digit equals to num modulus 10. So this line will extract the last digit, and then rev_num equals to rev_num into 10 plus digit. So this will append the digits to the rev_num, means this will store the values to the rev_num, and then num equals to num floor division 10. So this line will remove the last digit from the num, and then we will print reverse number equals to rev_num. So let's run the program. So let us say I will write here 1, 2, 3. So here you can see the reverse number is 3, 2, 1. Means our program is running well, but for better understanding, I want you to take to the ChatGPT so that I can explain you in more efficient way. But before starting, I want you to please access this playlist so that you can start learning from scratch to advanced level. So now back to the topic. So first, what digit equals to num modulus 10 is doing, it extracts the last digit. Let us say the number is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it extracts the last digit, num 4. And then rev_num equals to rev_num into 10 plus digit. What this will do is, so initially rev_num is initialized by 0. So here it is 0. And this will be multiplied by 10, which will 0. And this will be, and digit will be added to it, means 4. So the value of rev_num here is 4. So, and then again num equals to num modulus 10. So it will remove the last digit. So now after removing the last digit, so this number will become 1, 2, 3. So this all will repeat again. So for second iteration, the digit is 3, and then rev_num equals to 4, 3, and then it removes the last digit, and then num becomes 1, 2, and for fourth iteration, num equals to 0, loop stops here, and then final will be, output will be 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is how this program is running. So this is the summary where you can see the first iteration is number is 1, 2, 3, 4. The last digit is 4. So rev_num equals to 4, and then updated num after modular floor division 10 is 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and then digit is last digit is 3, and then it goes to the rev_num and it will become 4, 3, and then it will update last digit, means remove the last digit, and then will become 1, 2. So this is how it will work. So hope you understand this. So if you found this video helpful, please do subscribe and like. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and enjoy watching the videos. Thanks for watching.